Citrulline was first isolated from watermelon. Thus, its name derived from the Latin word citrulus, meaning watermelon. In the body, it's produced by the conversion or combination of other amino acids. Citrulline allows you to train harder for longer because it increases your production of energy, increasing the rate of phosphocreatine and ATP production. In addition to boosting ATP, citrulline also readily converts to arginine in your body. Arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, the gas molecule that optimizes blood and nutrient delivery to your working muscles. Recent research indicates that citrulline supplements increase blood levels of arginine and nitric oxide more effectively than arginine ingestion itself. Beyond creating powerful muscle pumps, citrulline boosts workout performance. In fact, a single serving taken pre-workout was recently shown to combat exercise-induced fatigue, increase time to exhaustion, and substantially decrease muscle soreness.